Hello, in front of me I've got Suzuki Swift. In this video I'll show you what is DSBS and how to manage it. DSBS stands for Dual Sensor Brake Support, which is Suzuki Advanced Collision Mitigation safety system designed to prevent or reduce the damage from accidents. Using combination of monocular camera and laser sensor to monitor the road ahead, it detects pedestrians, cyclists and other vehicles. To enable or disable it, take a look at the instrument cluster, go to Settings, enter DSBS, and go to Warning Timing. Select Default, Earlier or Later. This function cannot be disabled permanently. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.